All right, so I've got, for all you curious Lexus ES350 owners, I've got two different OEM factory bezels from a 2016 ES350 and along with the screen, the head unit, and a 2018. So here we can see the 2016 bezel. I figured while I had them out of these cars, which I upgraded with the aftermarket systems, that I would kind of catalog the differences between the 2016 model year and the 2018. The bezels I've determined are identical. They are the same. There is no difference. And this generation of ES350 ran from 2013 to 2018. So my guess is that these are interchangeable. They will fit on any ES350 in 2013 to 2018. It's interesting that they have a date code right there stamped on there, March 7th, 2018 on this bezel, okay? So there's the 2018 bezel. Here is the 2016 bezel. And you can see where they have little bits of felt, okay, right there, and also right there to keep everything nice and smooth and quiet and to keep it from scratching the leather kind of, interior, the fake leather interior. Also, there's felt around all the corners there. You can see that right there, those strips of felt on there. And they did that on this one as well. You can see that right there, okay? And then you can see the felt right down there on the 2018 as well. Now this one doesn't have a date code printed on it. It has this Japanese character here because this is made in Japan. And then it says 14. I think that's like an employee number or something like that. But it does have a 16 over here. That could be a date in terms of a year, just written on there. Okay, now let's take a quick close look at the differences between these two head units. You'll notice that the 2016, if we zoom in, the 2016 is made by Panasonic. The 2018 is made by Pioneer. See that right there? Pioneer Corporation. The 2016 has the black and the blue connector kind of in the lower right here. Whereas these, they're not there. They're actually here and here. So a little bit different setup there. You can see also on this one, it says Toyota, and it has the manufacturing date of January 2018. Okay, right there. All right, we have a lot more information on the 2018 in terms of stickers and whatnot. All right. We even have, look at that. There's even a URL right there in case you were curious. So that's interesting. No URL on this guy. Now, one of the other differences is I do think this will just fit right into any Lexus ES350, and this one too. I think so. I think you can just throw this into a 2016. You could throw it into a 2013, a 2014, a 2015. It looks to be like it's all going to match up because these brackets are all, and the holes for these are all in the same place. Okay. And the little airbag light thing is in the exact same place along with the screen being in the same place. Now, here's what's really interesting. The newer one, the 2018, the Panasonic, just has straight edges here, straight folds, no complex geometry, no complex curved bevels, except for these little beveled indents on the right and the left. The older one was more expensive to produce. It had to have been because we have this complex beveled edge all the way around there, and we have some heat transfer holes there for exhaust. But look at this. This is interesting. And I think this speaks to just the differences in the system and the kind of the snappiness. It's a little bit better on the 2018 navigating through the menu system and so forth. But this back side is taller than this one. Okay, let me see if I can just get that a little bit closer so you can kind of see. You see the height difference there? See that? Even the high point here on this one is not as high as this. So I don't know if there's just more processing power in there, more, you know, more circuitry or whatnot. I would assume so. I would assume just based on the evidence of the look here and just how much larger this is internally. There's way more area inside here than there is in here. The other thing is the clips are identical. So on this side, which you can see, this is the right side. Okay, so they have R there. R here and left here. See that right there? So this is the right side. But look here. You see the clip here is vertical. All right. The other clip over here is horizontal. It's the same here. So if you're wondering, oh, I wonder if I could take a 2018 system and put it into my 2013 ES350. And the answer is yes, you can, because the clips are the same and they are in exactly the same place. Okay, now let's flip these over and take a look. Okay. And by the way, I have these for sale on Facebook Marketplace right now. I don't know how long they're going to be up there, but if you're interested in one of these, maybe you have an older ES350, let me know. All right. So they look identical. All of the molded plastic around the outside of the screen has all the same exact little indentations and so forth. Okay. Notice that this tab on this side is thicker than the one over here. See? So you have a thinner tab there and you got the thicker one right there. Okay. Look at this pink label here. Let's zoom in. This is the 2016. It has a barcode, whereas on the 2018, it has a QR code. See that? That's interesting. So, yeah, these look the same. From the front. And for our final kind of test or proof or whatever you want to call it, comparison, let's take the 2018 bezel and we're going to put it, let me put it on the 2018 screen first so you can see how that lines up. Okay, there's a real nice soft quality feel to it when you set it on there because of the felt. And let's transfer it over to the 2016. So there it is. Fits absolutely perfect on there. No problemo. All right, and let's take the 2018 bezel off and let's grab the 2016 bezel and we'll just set it on the 2016. There's what it looks like. Let me increase my exposure so you can really see. And let's put it on the 2018 screen and it fits perfect just like it does in the other one. So pretty cool. Pretty cool to kind of do this little comparison. If you were curious, hopefully this has satisfied your curiosity. If you have an older ES350 in the 2013 to 2018 generation and you're interested in upgrading to the last model year, 2018 for the ES350, and upgrading to that latest system, give me a ping and see if I still have it for sale. All right, Mike out.